Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su, chapter 111. So here it is. Let's read the story. This is the day when Xiaojing went to the party. It was Ara's birthday party. At 6 o'clock in the evening, Xiaojing finally, she came through. Sultan, is it really you? Won't you tell me when you go home? Right now, talk. Well, she's been caught up. This is Kusishi. A little discussions on the background. Yes, it's her. Why would she come? Everyone seems to be surprised. Suddenly shouting, she pulled her up. Well, probably. She wanted to tell her the reason why she was here. But it seems that it was a little troublesome. It was the corner of the villa. Xiaojing said to her, I came here to find Li Shaijai and I will leave later. Xiaojing said, when I have time to ask you out, I let you scold me well, okay? Friend said, tomorrow. Oh, it was too soon. Xiaojing, okay, tomorrow. Let's go. They will come. Well, finally, it was a relief for Xiaojing. Cannot question her too much. Other hand, Xiaojing, she looked back. It seems to be a noisy on the background. She's looked at. See the person she really missed? It turns out it was Gu Shishi. She really looks pretty. On the side, there was a girl. Well, after Xiaojing seeing her, looks really stunned. Of course, this is the first time the two of them will meet after 2 years. And it really makes her sad, right? If you describe them in 4 words, what would you choose? Right now, she's whispering on herself. Well, maybe she really got jealous. Xiaojing said it was a fair crazy. Oh, you said Ara, haha, today is someone's birthday. Don't do this. Your name is Su. It's not good. It is forcing the sister to cut off the customs. Everyone, these people need to be scolded by Guan Yan. No one said behind it. Well, right now, Xiaojing, you just don't hear it. It's none of your business. Friend said to her. Suddenly, right now, she moved closer to them and said, apologize. The two girls seems to be surprised. Well, why suddenly Xiaojing come to them and ask for apology? How to apologize? You, what kind of expression is this? Are you looking for something inexplicable? But Xiaojing, right now, said to her, I will give you 30 seconds. You will regret it without apologizing. Xiaojing suddenly took out the recorder on her bag. Turns out, did she really record everything? To phrase it, to describe them in 4 words, what are you choose? Affair of crazy. Now, the two girls seems to be shaky. Of course, they've been recorded, and if anyone public it really makes sense, they will be in trouble. This girl, you are crazy, just go out and take this kind of thing. Of course, Xiaojing, she will never back down on this. She really said bad things on Xiaozu. Xiaojing said right now, how can I not worry about you? But exposing it to the public figure like you, it is really not very good. You need to act fast. Xiaojing said to the girl for the last time, you need to apologize so Xiaojing will never spread the recordings. The girl is being doomed. They cannot do anything but to follow Xiaojing's order. Looking at these two girls, they look really silly. And I was wrong too. The two girls finally apologizing to her. Right now, Xiaojing, anything else? What? Oh, finally. After a little commotion, Xiaojing, she turned back. Her friend is stunned. The two girls seems to be afraid of. Of course, they're not finished on talking, but her friend. Hey, do you want to take revenge on the society with a voice recorder with you? Oh, of course. Also said things to Xiaojing. But, of course, Xiaojing will never do this to her. Hey, don't go so fast. Her friend is asking her. Judging, she looked back on her. She was walking away. Though on the other side, Ara and Gusishi was there. The cross path, Judging, moves on another way. After an hour, it is getting dark. Everyone seems to be busy socializing and so on. Judging, right now, she looked back. Well, did she notice something? That there's a lot of person has been compressing on the other side. It was Lizzie Jolly. Judging said to herself, this is not a good time to get close to her. Oh, shouting, she must really move past. Help me pay attention to Lizzie Jai and Gusishi, and I will go to the bathroom. It was Liang Yu, I know. Well, finally. But she goes to the bathroom right now. She was the only one there. Crouching, she was really calm. Right now, she was looking at her phone. He is now in the attic near the garden on the left of the second floor. Come here now. So, she was talking to someone. But suddenly, right now, she was on the second floor. And she was curious and to go upstairs. Well, shouting. This girl, she was really curious. Ara, are you upstairs? Someone is calling from behind. It seems that she noticed that first. Judging right now, she turned her head slowly. Well, when she looked back, suddenly surprised. Coming to upstairs also, and it was slowly getting near to her. What is she going to do right now? Is she going to be funny? Turns out, she was rushing to. She took off her shoes, went to the other room, so she can hide Suhishi and she cannot be found out. Ara, are you here? Suhishi was calling her, but of course, it was Ara, the birthday celebrant. Right now, someone was calling her. Judging, to her surprise, but it was really too late because and Suhishi already noticed her. Suhishi suddenly paused. She was looking around, probably. She was looking who is the person. When she entered the room, it seems that the room is dark. But to her surprise, it was Xiaojing was there. Xiaojing, how can she approach her? She really retreated on the back. Xiaojing, she was really shy. She don't want to face her. But this is not good. Of course, Shuhishi. She moved closer to her and hugged her from the back and said, I found you. Well, the story is getting better. Let's see again next week. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!